We're building something here, a complete journey into algorithmic trading from the very basics all the way to a professional level. If you're looking for shortcuts, quick profits, or easy money, this is not for you. Because this series is about depth, about understanding, not guessing. We're going to build your foundation, then take you to the intermediate level, and eventually turn you into a disciplined, system-driven trader. And no, this doesn't happen overnight. So if you're serious, if you're ready to learn this the right way, stay. Hit that subscribe button. Today is day 8. Let's continue the journey. Welcome back to the Algorithmic Trading Series. If you've been following from day 1, you already understand markets, data, and structure. Today, we move into one of the most important concepts, the backbone of every trader, every algorithm, every system. So let's start simple. What exactly is a trading strategy? At its core, a trading strategy is nothing more than a set of rules. Rules that tell you when to enter a trade, when to exit, and how to manage risk. Most beginners don't trade with strategies. They trade based on feelings, news, or random signals. And that's why they lose. Because without rules, you are just guessing. Think of a trading strategy like traffic signals. Red means stop. Green means go. Yellow means wait. You don't question it every time. You follow it. That's exactly what a strategy does for your trades. A good strategy removes confusion. Instead of asking, should I trade now? You ask, does this match my rules? If yes, you act. If no, you wait. Simple. Let's take a simple example. Imagine your strategy says, buy when price breaks resistance with high volume. That's it. Now you're not guessing anymore, you're executing a rule. But a strategy is not just about entry. It also defines where you exit if you're wrong and where you take profit if you're right. This is what makes it complete. Now here's the real power. A strategy controls your emotions. Because when rules are clear, you don't panic. You don't chase. You just execute. And this is where algorithmic trading comes in. A strategy can be written into code. So instead of you following rules, the system follows them for you. No hesitation, no fear, no overtrading, just pure execution. That's the power of a well-defined trading strategy. There are many types of strategies. Trend following, breakout, mean reversion, each one works in different market conditions. And this is important to understand. No single strategy works all the time. Markets change. Your strategy must match the environment. Before using any strategy in real trading, you test it. This is called backtesting. You check how it performed in the past to build confidence in the system. So if you remember just one thing from this video, a trading strategy is your rulebook. Without it, you're gambling. With it, you're building a system. And in the next videos, we'll start building real strategies step by step and eventually convert them into algorithms. If this video added value in your life, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.